welcome back, and let's go and have a look at the Guardian of the Valleys in 6 Bells. And here we are, the Guardian Miners Memorial in 6 Bells. It's one of the old drams.
Completed in 2010, Guardian was commissioned to commemorate the 50th anniversary of the 1960 mining disaster in 6 Bells that claimed the lives of 45 men. The amazing 20-metre sculpture towers over the site of the former colliery where the tragedy occurred and is a fitting tribute to the men whose names are cut into panels wrapped around the memorial plinth. Designed and created by artist Sebastian Boyesen, the sculpture is constructed from over 20,000 strips of core 10 steel welded together to create a stunning monument that stands proudly on a sandstone plinth. The detail that has been created using this remarkable technique allows for the incredible facial features, muscle definition, and hair to be clearly visible. And even the trousers appear soft and flowing even though fabricated from steel. Viewed from a distance, the figure of the miner has a transparent, almost ghostly quality, allowing it to blend into the heavily wooded landscape setting. Only when viewed up close does the figure appear solid, and the true presence of Guardian can be fully appreciated. Guardian was dedicated as part of a commemoration service on the 28th of June 2010 by the Archbishop of Canterbury Reverend Rowan Williams, and later in November 2011, H.R.H. Prince Charles visited Guardian.
And there it is, Guardian of the Valleys, 6 bells. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and we'll see you all on the next one.